Hey y'all, it's your friend D, and in today's video, we're going to take a look at an awesome $6 thrift store find. Yes, I got this for $6. So let's get into it. So guys, I was in the thrift store and I saw this and I was thinking to myself, I know I just saw this at Target. I'm not familiar with this toy line, but I had to look it up on my phone while I was in the thrift store. And this is the Honeysuckle Hillside Cottage by Little Woodzez Toys. And this is currently retailing at Target for $50. So I was very shocked to see this in my thrift store, and it was only $6. So as you can see, it is a cute tan cottage with pink and blue details, and it does open, but let's go over the outside first. So here's a look at the roof, and you can see some faux shingles, and they're painted a brown color, and there is storage on the roof. So you just have to open this little section up here, and you can store items in the roof section. On the back side here, there is a faux chimney, and you do have a window with a flower box, and I left the sticker on it. I think there's a couple of stickers on it. So the sticker has the date when they originally placed it out on the floor, and this says November 2023, and it was priced at $9.99. But the day I went in, they had an extra 40% off of everything in the store. So I did get this for only $6. Further down on the left side of the house, you can see the fireplace does continue. There is some flower and vine detail here and another window. And this window does open and close. So that's a neat little bonus. And we have another little flower bed here and some more details just carved into the plastic. In the front of the house, we do have some white trim going around the edge of the roof. I think that's a cute little detail. We have an extra window up here, and this one does not open or close, but it's still cute. It has a little heart in the middle. We have some more of that vine and flower detail going down, and some wood details. And these doors and those windows do open. And we have this cute little balcony. And we do have some faux stone here on the bottom level. It's painted pink with more of those vines. And we have some more of the flower boxes. And these windows do not open. And on this side of the front, we do have the front door. And it does open. And we have some wood details in that. And you can see that the porch is very dusty. I haven't had a chance to clean it. I wanted to show it to you guys really quickly. So I do need to dust everything off. But I love the wood detail in the porch post here and the stone detail on the porch itself. And there is a little step here. And this is a wraparound porch, which I think is really cute. It continues around on the right side of the house. And we have a little butterfly added right there. It's purple. And we have some more added details into the side of the house here. And the porch does have a little swing that is attached to it. And this is the roof on the right side of the house, and we have another window. This little house has a lot of windows. Here's the back of the house, and you get more windows. This round one at the top does not open, and you get two of the smaller blue ones that open, and another set of French doors that open. And the hinge is hidden on the back of the house. So let's get this opened. So to open the house, you just pull it apart and it separates pretty easily. There's nothing locking it together. I do wish there was a little latch or something to keep it from just falling open. But here we are. I was not lucky enough to get any of the furniture with this house. I looked all over the thrift store hoping that they had just separated them, and I couldn't find it anywhere. So that's a bummer, but $6 is still a really good price for this. On the left side, you have two rooms. You have one on the first floor, second floor, and on the right side, you have three floors. And these rooms are pretty deep, guys. I can fit probably two hands in there. Like my entire hand fits in there. And then I have all of this room on the other side. And it's a pretty tall space up top. On the other side, even though there's 3 stories, there's still quite a bit of room at the very top level. And the second one is also pretty deep and has a good amount of headspace for the dolls. And as you can see, I can fit 2 hands in there. So a neat thing about this little house, guys, is that there are lights in it. You can see on the second story here on the right side, there is a light fixture, and on the bottom on the right side, there's a light fixture. I don't know if they work. There is a compartment to put the batteries in underneath the house, but I don't have the size batteries that this house needs right now. And here on the left side, you can see the light fixture. And all of the rooms have some details on the wall. You can see the fireplace is on the inside as well as the outside. And we have some little pictures on the walls. I don't plan to keep this little house. It's actually going to be a gift for one of my little cousins, and I think she's going to absolutely love it. So I do have to get furniture and some people for the house. So I'm looking at going to Target and getting some of the little Woodzez pieces, and also trying out some of the honeybee pieces from Walmart. And I found this one on clearance for $1, so I got her a little pink rabbit. I'm not going to take it out of the packaging because this is going to be a gift. So I'm going to leave all the pieces that I find for her just wrapped in the box so she can just open them herself. I also have these 2 little bobblehead Barbies. I can't find these anymore. I think I got these at Walmart a few years ago, and I think they would be a good size for this type of house. I know my Froggy stuff is using the Barbie extra minis with the Honeybee Acres house. So I watched that and I remembered I had these 2 girls, and I think, yeah, they would fit in there pretty good. They don't stand very well, but they fit in here, and they have some decent articulation. They can bend at the knee, and their arms can move. So they're okay, but I'm going to keep these. But if you have some of these little dolls, they could work in a house like this. And if you guys know of any other furniture pieces and dolls that would be compatible with this house, please leave it in the comments below, because I am trying to fill it up for her as a gift so her parents don't have to do much with the house. And guys, I just noticed there is a light on the front porch, and I went and found some batteries, and the lights still aren't working. Okay, so the more I look at this little house, the more I find things. So here in the bay window, there's the on off switch. So I put some batteries in, and let's see if the lights come on. Yeah. So forward is on and pushing it back is off. So here's the light off. Here's it on. Not very bright, but it does come on. Maybe if I turn my lights off, let's see what happens. Here is what it looks like with all of my lights off. So you can kind of see a little bit of a glow. See my shadow there. The second story over here is pretty bright. The first story is, that light is really, really dim. And the front porch, yeah, that's a better light. So my friends, that's all I have for you today. If you have questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.